Hi, I'm Jeremy, the Customer Success Manager at TownWeb. And in this video, we're going to look at how to create events and calendar items in your dashboard. Let's get started.
Now let's start by navigating to the left side of our dashboard, and we'll click on the Create Event button. This will open the Create Event window. Now events are just calendar items on the homepage calendar, and so we want to ensure people are aware of what's happening on the date that it's happening on. So let's make a sample town board meeting. We're going to categorize that as a town board meeting in the town board category. We can add things like the address or any other information we need here in the description box. Now for the date of the meeting, let's put it on the 2nd of December. We can choose the start time and the end time. If you want to display only the start time, then you can set the start time and the end time at the same value. So 7 p.m. for starting, 7 p.m. for ending. This will ensure that your event displays start time 7 p.m. and then it will literally say no end time. Recurrences are when we want to automatically repost the event without having to create a new one every single month. So for town board meetings, for instance, we might hold our town board meeting the first Monday of every month. So let's put a different day. It's really a different date. Let's say it's the first Monday of the month. And if we wanted it to end after, let's say, 4 months, we could just set it to end on a specific date. So the first Monday of February is the 3rd, so it'll end after just a few months. And then we click the Save Event button. Note that it is red, so it will publish immediately to the website. Once it's saved, it will take us to the events list where we can see all the events that we have for that particular month. One thing to note here is that you can look at the events calendar view rather than the events list, so I can see what I have going on in the month rather than just at a list. I can see what date it's on, and then I can click on it and edit it there. That's how to create an event.
Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions or concerns, please contact our support team at support@townweb.com or via phone or directly through your dashboard by clicking Create a Support Ticket.
Thank you.